Yeah, they love their graffiti over here. This is kind of neat. Okay, let's go out to the back door here, if there is one. Oh yeah, here's the back door. Wow. It's quite the mess there. Oh, here's a nice big pit to fall down. What's down there? Wow. I do not want to go down there. Nope. And then there's, oh, look at that. You know what this was? This was where they filled up gas, because this is a gas pump right here. Oh, look at that. Little gas pump. Huh. There's the handle. Huh, pretty neat. Oh, and this was a weigh scale probably. It looks like you could weigh the vehicles when they're getting gas. We'll look at that in a minute. Somebody painted a face on that tank. This is another desk. Cabinet. File cabinet. Everything's been emptied a long time ago. Oh, what's that up there? That looks like oh, there's vending machines up there. We gotta go up there. This place is huge. All right, let's go over here. That's kind of artistic. And a lot of barrels. Wow. Swimming pool, anyone? Well, we gotta go over there because there's some more graffiti we gotta look at. She has 3 eyes. Wow. Welcome to the jungle. Oh, look at that. That's the furnace, I guess. Scorched bricks. Alright, I don't know if that's a cigarette machine. I think that's a cigarette machine. dollar bill. Dollar bill changer. Huh. Pretty neat. And then there's another machine down there. Alright, let me get off of this. I don't trust this. Wow. Alright, I think there was another vending machine over here. Not in the best of shape, but there's a little cage down there. Yeah, that's a vending machine right there. Oh, there's another cigarette machine too. Cool. Ouch. Ouch. Wow. There's a couple vending machines. Well, that's the face of the door of a vending machine. And then that's the cigarette machine there, I think. See if I can get down here. Yeah, that's a cigarette vending machine. And there's another one here, but I don't think I could turn that over. Had a lot of vending machines. I don't know what this one was here. That must have been with, oh, that's the cover for this one. That's what that is. Huh. Well, let's see if I can get over there somehow. That looks like a soda machine right there. Whew. Yeah. The vending machine graveyard. All right, let me see if I can get down here. Alright. Oh. Ooh, look. Rusty nail. Yeah, soda vending machine. Pretty neat. And there's the cover of the door for it. Can't read what kind it was though. Alright. And there's the vending machines up there that we were at before. I'm going to shut this off until I get out of this mess. What is it? Oh, it's a car or a truck completely upside down. How did they flip it? How'd they flip it like that? Wow. Yeah, you never know what you'll find. I don't know what kind of vehicle this is by looking at the lights, so let's see. It's a big vehicle. There's the glove box. Steering wheel's over there. Oh, wow. Let's see. Wow. Had front I was gonna say drum brakes, but or not drum brakes. Alright, let's see. Can't tell from the front either. Well, let's take a look and see what's in the trailers. I'm sure there's nothing. There's flat tires. Yeah, wow, that's empty. And that's really empty too. That is. Alright, for those of you who stuck with it, we're coming up on one of the best parts. There's a truck cab there. And we have this. Wow. This is cool. Holy moly. Okay, what would you call this? Yeah, I don't know what you would call it, but I call it really cool. I wonder if the keys are in it. Alright, let's see. Can we open this? Nope, can't open it. Wow. That's so cool. Ouch. I don't even care. I'll hit my head 100 times. This is cool. There's the bucket. And here's the controls for the bucket. Pretty cool. Yeah, that is rusted shut. Wow. Alright. What is it? It's Warner and Swasey. Wow. I don't know, I'm just fascinated by that. Okay. Alright, I'm going through the woods here. Going through the bushes. There's a cab of a truck. What kind of truck is this? I don't know. It's still pretty cool though. If I was a kid, I would love to have this in my backyard to play with. It would be the coolest for it. Wow, it has some kind of tag on the side. Oh, it's a GMC. I didn't see that much. How's the brake fluid? And there's the front of it. GMC, I don't know what kind of.